Hello students, in our previous lecture I have given you some homework to you, but I did not receive solution of any one of you. Means you are not doing study at your home, or you are not able to do this question. I did not receive any single question from any one of you. Means you are understanding question, आपने question नहीं पूछा, means you are understanding question but you are not doing homework, right? So here I think that I have given you homework of question number 5th and question number 6 of your exercise 1.2, right, from exercise 1.2, but I did not receive photo of any one of you. So you have to solve this question in your fair copy. I am not doing here, right? If you send me photo that sir this question we are not able to doing, then I can solve here. आप अगर भेजते हैं मुझे कि सर ये क्वेश्चन हम नहीं कर पा रहे हैं तो मैं सोल्व करता. मैं अब यहाँ पे हाउ आई कैन रिकॉग्नाइज हियर दैट यू आर एबल टू सोल्व क्वेश्चन और नॉट. मैं यहाँ कैसे समझ सकता हूँ कि आपने क्वेश्चन सोल्व कर लिए या नहीं किए, या कर सकते हो या नहीं कर सकते हो, राइट? If you send me a photo that sir this question I have solved and this question I am not able to solve, that sir this question I have solved, this is right or wrong, if you ask me like this, then I can give you answer, right? Yeah, I can understand here that you are understanding your mathematics or not. But now here today I am not solving this two question, and today your exercise 1.1 as well as chapter 1, your chapter 1 will finish here, right? So I need your copy of chapter 1 today itself, right? I need your copy of chapter 1 today, complete copy, right? Now let us start question number 7. I am not doing this two question, you have to do this two question, because I do not know that you are able to solve this question or you are not doing homework at home. I do not know. आप घर पे पढ़ाई नहीं कर रहे हो, होमवर्क नहीं कर रहे हो, या ये नहीं कर पा रहे हो क्वेश्चन, मुझे नहीं पता चलेगा. You have to send me photo of this as well as your copy, fair copy of chapter 1, right? Today we will complete here chapter 1, so you have to send me photo of your copy of chapter 1. Now let us start question number 7. Question number 7. Calculate the following using suitable arrangement. Now first one is A is minus 142 plus minus 142 in bracket plus minus 58 in bracket plus 200, right? You can see in your book at page number 9, right? Let us solve this. Let us try to solve this question. Here this is minus, so we can write it directly minus 142. It will come out of the bracket, it will be minus. Plus minus will be minus. Here it is in multiplication. Bracket shows that it is in multiplication. So plus minus will be minus 58 minus 58 plus 200 as it is. Now first this one is minus, this one also, so minus will be plus, minus will be plus. Let us add this 2. 2 plus 8 will be 0, 1 is remaining. 4 plus 5 will be 9, and 1, that is 0, and 2 is remaining. 4 plus 1 is remaining, 1 more 1, 2. This will be 200. This will be 200. And here sign is both this digit is negative, so here negative will come. Now plus 200, this 200 is as it is. This plus 200 is as it is. Now minus plus, 1 is a plus and 1 is minus, and both the digits are the same, so answer will come 0. Means here if you subtract 200 minus 200, it will come 0. So here answer will be 0. Now come to the second question. Question number B. 134 into 11 plus 134 into 9, right? We have to solve this 2. We have to solve this 2 here. So here we can solve it by 2 ways. First, we can solve this by 2 methods. First, multiply this 2 and multiply this 2 and add answer of this both, right? Add after whatever coming here, right? जो भी इनका आंसर आता है उनको दोनों को जोड़ दीजिए, our answer, final answer will come. Now this is the first method. I am going to solve this by second method, right? What is the second method? Apply here distributive property. What? Apply distributive property. What is distributive property says? Distributive property. Apply distributive property. A into B plus C is equal to A into B and B plus this plus and plus B A into C, right? Like this way. So here we have these terms, A into B plus A into C, right? So we can write these terms like this way, right? So let us write this. हम इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. Let us write this. A here, our A is 134, our A here is 134. So 134 into, in bracket, B plus C. What is B here? 11. Here B is 11. So 11 plus, here it is sign plus 9. 9 is our C. Now 134 is as it is. Add this 2. 9 plus 11 plus 9 will be 20, right? Now you can easily multiply here this 134 into 20. You can easily multiply this 2. That is why I have applied here distributive property. Now multiply this 2. 134 into 20. Multiply this 2. It will come 2680. This will be your answer. Now question number C. Minus 50. This I will solve it here. C. Minus 50 into 125 into minus 6 into 8, right? Now here it is in multiplication. All is in multiplication, so you can multiply any digit with anyone. If you want to multiply first 2, then you can. If you multiply this 2, then you can. If you multiply this 2, then you can multiply. If you want to multiply this 2 first, then you can multiply any 2 digit. Here all is in multiplication, so you can multiply any one of this, right? So here I am going to multiply first this and this, and then after this and this, right? You can multiply any one of those. Answer will be same. Your answer will be same. When you multiply by 50 by 8, then 5 8s are 40. 5 8s are 40. So here minus and this is plus. So minus plus will be minus 40 and this 0 is as it is, right? 8 5s are 40 and this 0 is 80 and minus plus will be minus. Now come to this one. Come to this one. 125 into 6. You have to do 125 into 6. When you multiply this, it will come 750. 125 into 6. When you multiply this, it will come 750, right? So here, which sign will come here? There is a 125 is in plus and 6 is in minus. So plus minus will be minus. Here it is in multiplication. Now here it is in addition and subtraction. So minus minus will be plus, minus minus will be plus. So 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 5, 5, and 4 plus 7 will be 11. 4 plus 7 will be 11. And sign, both the digits are here in minus, in negative. So here negative sign will come. This is your answer. Now come to the question number 8. Question number 8 is, determine the integers which when divided by minus 1, when is divided by minus 1 gives minus 34, gives minus 34, right? So let the integer be, let the integer be x. क्या assume कर रहे हैं अपन? X, right? Now from here transfer this 1 to the other side of the equal. X is equal to minus 34. It will go here on numerator with multiplication, minus 1, like this. It will come here like this. Now solve this equation. X is equal to 34 into 1. Forget here first sign. First multiply these two. 34 into 1. What will come? 34, right? So here 34 will come. Now come to the sign. Here it is minus and here it is also minus. So minus minus will be plus. So here plus will come. So we do not need to write here plus because there is a, we do not need to write plus, but if you want to write then you can. There is a x is equal to plus 34, and means our integers is the integers will be 34, right? Plus 34. Question number 9. Give one example of distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Give example of distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Means what is our distributive property? First write down the distributive property. Distributive property. Distributive property, right? Here it is a distributive property. What is distributive property? A into B plus C is equal to A into B and sign plus B into C, right? But our question is saying that, read the question, give one example of distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. So we have to take here negative signs. Here instead of this plus we have to take here negative sign, right? So let us write negative distributive property like this. A into B minus C equal to A into B. Here sign is negative, so here negative sign will come. B into C. Sorry, A into, it will come here also A into C. So A into C, right? Now let us assume any digit. You can assume any digit. We have to here just we have to give an example. So you can take any number. I am taking A is equal to 2, and B is equal to 5 and C is equal to 3, right? I am taking this 3 number here. You can take anyone. Here we do not need to match answer of every student. Here it is not necessary that every student will come as same answer, right? But we have to give here just an example. So we can take any number. I am taking A is equal to 2, B is equal to 5, C is equal to 3. यहाँ पे जरूरी नहीं कि हर एक बच्चे बस एक ही जैसा आंसर आए, because this is an example. We have to take an example. A is equal to 2 into 5 minus 3 is equal to, this will be equal to 2 into 5 minus 2 into 3. Now let us solve this. 2 plus 2 into 5 will be 10. 2 5s are 10 minus 2 3s are 6. It will come 4. It will come here 4. Now let us solve this. 5 minus 3, 2 as it is. 5 minus 3 will be 2, right? 5 minus 3 will be 2. 2 2 is 4. So this is LHS is equal to RHS. Here LHS equal to RHS. So our property is true, right? Now next question. यहाँ पे अपने को बस एग्जांपल देना था कि प्रॉपर्टीज क्या कर रही है, फॉलो करती है कि नहीं करती है, प्रॉपर्टीज ट्रू है कि नहीं नेगेटिव के लिए. सो नेगेटिव के लिए भी ये फॉलो होती है. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. Give an example where an associative property of subtraction does not hold good. So what is our associative property? Associative properties, associative property. Now write down associative property. For negative, for subtraction, right? For negative, a minus b minus c will be a minus b minus c will be not hold good, means this will not equal to this. This will not equal to this. So let us take any number here. You can take any number here and you can apply it. You have to prove it that it will not hold good. So I am taking the same number. A is equal to 2, B is equal to 5 and C is equal to 3. Now let us put this value here, right? So A means 2 minus 5, here minus C, value of C is 3, it will be not equal to A, value of A 2 minus 5 minus 3, minus plus minus, 5 minus 3 will 5 minus 2 will be 3, and sign of greater digit is negative, so here negative will come. Minus this 3 is as it is, this minus is as it is, this 3 is as it is, will be not equal to 2 minus as it is 5 minus 3 will be 2. So here 3 minus minus will be plus, minus minus will be plus, so 3 and 3 6, but sign come minus because both the digits are negative, is not equal to 0. 2 minus 2 will be 0. So this is not equal, this is not equal, minus 6 is not equal to 0, means associative property of subtraction does not hold good. You can write here, means the associative property of subtraction does not hold good. Write this, right? It is not hold good because these are not equal. LHS is not equal to RHS. Here your chapter 1 is finished. Chapter 1 यहाँ पे खत्म होता है, and I will start your chapter 2 when I will receive your fair copy of chapter 1. मैं chapter 2 तभी start करूँगा जब मैं आपकी chapter 1 की fair copy मेरे पास आ जाएगी. So first complete your fair copy of chapter 1 and send me photo. Then I will give you chapter 2. Then I will solve chapter 2, right? Otherwise I will not give you video of chapter 2. First I need your copy of chapter 1. If you have any doubt, if you have any problem, So you can text me, you can call me, right? That's all for today.